Hi, I'm Marianne Latanzio, a museum educator at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art, and this is a close-looking exercise in your My Museum kit. In this video, we'll be exploring We the People Black version by Nari Ward, made in 2015. Before we begin talking about this artwork, please pause the video and take time to gather a pencil and piece of paper to answer some questions I'll ask you later. Great! Now let's take a moment and let our eyes wander all over this artwork. Look carefully from top to bottom and side to side, paying close attention to all the little details you see. You can pause the video to give yourself a moment to look. What did you notice first? Maybe you saw all the bright colors, or maybe you noticed the colors seemed to be dripping down the surface of the artwork. Look closely. What do you think those drips are made of? Yes, they do look like string or rope. The colored drips are made of shoelaces, just like the ones you may have in your sneakers. Did you notice the shoelaces make words written in cursive letters? Those words say, "We the People." Who do you think we the people might be? I think you're right. We the people are all of us who live in the United States of America. And we all live under the Constitution, a document that is important to us. We the People Black version presents to us the first three words of the preamble to the Constitution, the document that states how our country will be governed. By beginning with the words, "We the People," the men who wrote it show us that they wanted to make a country that was united for all people. The United States hasn't always lived up to this ideal, but we the people try to become better every day. America is made up of all kinds of people who may have come from many different places, and none of them are the same, even within the same family. We each have our own unique identity. The word identity means being who you are. Inside ourselves, we are a lot of different people at different times. We may be a brother or sister, a friend, a student, a teammate, and we may act different in all of those roles. And all of these roles make up who we are, just like all of its people make up the identity of a country. What roles do you play in your life? Pause the video for a moment and brainstorm a list of all the different roles you play. As you think about who you are, write down those words on your paper. You'll use these words in an art project you'll be making soon. You may have lived in America your whole life, or you may have come here from somewhere else, but you are a unique member of our American community. What do you think has helped make you who you are today? Nari Ward's artwork invites us to find our own identity, and he reminds us that our country is composed of many different and unique people, just like the artwork is made of many different shoelaces. Together, we all make a beautiful community. Thank you for watching. Now please go to the art making video that is related to We the People Black version. Remember to keep in mind what you've learned here as you have fun making some interesting and wonderful art.